Hi folks, so just a quick video from Evelyn Foster here. She came on our gut purification program recently and got some great results. So I really just wanted to hear from Evelyn the experience she's had from it. So what was your first thought on coming onto the Purify program first of all?
I think, well, for me it was a wee bit of a challenge to myself. I wasn't really I didn't know what to expect. I knew it was about changing habits for me, and it's very much, if I set myself a goal, I'm going to do it. So I like the kind of choice taken away. This is what you have, this is what you have, this is what you have. Obviously the added benefits of the programme were losing weight, more energy, feeling better, all of which has been absolutely great on the programme. And but yeah, completing that challenge, I feel absolutely brilliant for doing it.
Well done, well done. I know you were one of the kind of pioneers within the group, I have to say, kind of really sticking to it and being super focused on it. I think testament to your kind of your business attitude as well as life attitude is go full pill at things.
Well, I think part of being part of the group and the kind of accountability group is encouraging others to stick to it. If you're getting results from it and they're maybe not and they're a wee bit down about it, then just say, look, stick at it. But I mean, I lost over 10 pounds in the 3 weeks. I got my body fat down, I got my muscle mass up, and having broken my leg last year, bone mass and stuff was quite important to me, so that all went up. Yeah, I mean, all the results I got were and it's not unpleasant to I think at the start you think, oh, I can do this every day, but again, it's habit. You get into the habit and it's actually quite pleasant and makes you feel great.
It does, it really does. So no, I just wanted to say a massive thank you and well done. I mean, those phenomenal results and things like energy, sleep, mental focus and things like that.
Well, I think taking away alcohol from me gave me a greater mental focus. But no, in seriousness, yeah, great sleep. Up and ready in the morning, and I mean, I'm pretty good at that anyway. But the sleep thing, I think, definitely was great for me. And being able to, I guess it's probably maybe deeper sleep. Not necessarily longer sleep, but I think deeper sleep, which is obviously, what we need in our lives.
Is definitely. So I just want to say a big thank you to Evelyn for coming on board, trusting the process, trusting myself for doing that, and a big well done to all the results. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks again.
Cheers.